Good morning, third grade, and welcome to Wednesday, April 22nd. On Monday, we learned about different ways to use reference materials, and today we're going to focus on Encyclopedia. When you use an encyclopedia, most of the time you will use an online encyclopedia. Whenever you are looking up information, it's important to make sure that it is valid. So we're going to be using Britannica Kids, and all of their information is valid information. So on your assignment today, it says directions. You will use the online encyclopedia to answer these questions. First, read each question. Underline the key word in the question. This will be the word that you will enter in your search box. Then type in your search and answer the question. We're going to do number one together so I can show you how it works. Question number one says, how many major moons does Saturn have? What do you think the main topic of this question is and where I can find the answer? The topic of this question is Saturn. So when I go to Britannica Kids, you can use the link in the top corner. I'm going to type in Saturn, because that's where it's going to tell me how many moons Saturn has. Now you can see it gives me a bunch of options, a bunch of articles that I can look through. The top one though, the topic is Saturn and it's talking about the planet, so that's what I want to click. So to find out the information, I'm going to have to read over or skim to find out how many moons it has. The easiest way is to look at the headings. Now, if you can think back to the very beginning of the school year, we talked about parts of text. Now, there are photographs in here, there's headings, there's titles. To help you find the right part, we're going to look at the headings. So it says introduction, that's probably not going to tell me about moons. Physical features, so what it looks like. It could be in there, but I'm going to go through all of them first. Orbit and spin, moons. That is the section I need to read. I don't have to read all of this above because I know that they're going to tell me how many moons it has under the moon heading. It says Saturn has 8 major moons and many small ones. All right, so let me go back to my question. How many major moons does Saturn have? It told me it has 8. So I'll write in the box, 8. All right, now you can go ahead and get started. If you have any questions, make sure that you click the green hand. All of the pages will also be available at the end of the document if you can't get the internet to work. Good luck.